So, hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important rules in English language that is related to speaking skill and writing skill. Okay, so
Yeah,
let's hear we have in our book in this blue box something we call it relative clauses. Relative clauses. So, before we go in, before know what is the meaning of relative clauses, we should know what is the meaning of a clause in English and what is the difference between sentence, clause, and phrase. So the things that we're going to know are what is the meaning of clause, what is the difference between clause and sentence, and what is the relative clause and what we use in the relative clause. Do we use relative pronouns? Do we use subject pronouns or do we use object pronouns in relative clause? So we're going to know after watching this video. Okay, so
okay.
let's start with this video to know the difference between sentence and clause. So see here.
So let's start. We have already learned that phrases are a group of words that does not make complete sense.
So in this video, we're going to know what is clause. This teacher, she's going to just start talking about the phrase. Then, what is the phrase? What kinds of the phrases in English? And what is the clause in the sentence? What is the difference between three? Clause, phrase, and sentence. So, focus with her.
Also, phrase is not a predicate of a. Hi friends! Today we will learn what are clauses. So let's start. We have already learned that phrases are a group of words that does not make complete sense. Also, phrase.
So she said that phrases are a group of words that do not make complete sense. So, teacher, what the meaning of complete sense means that
Complete sentence, right?
yeah, great job. Complete sentence. It's not a complete sentence, it's a part of the sentence. The phrase is a part of the sentence. So look here, this an example. All the friends of Anna love chocolates. Here, it's a full sentence. All the friends of Anna love chocolates. And we have two phrases in this sentence. Noun phrase and verb phrase.
Verb.
Verb phrase and noun phrase, okay? So here, the noun phrase start with all the friends. All the friends, it's a noun. And
Yeah,
of Anna, it's a noun, but it's a complement of the word all the friends. Friends of whom? Friends of me, friends
Anna,
of you,
Anna,
friends, yeah, Anna.
Anna,
So
Anna.
this is a noun phrase. Noun phrase, it's a part of the sentence, part of this sentence, this meaningful sentence. And love, chocolates, love. What kind of part of a speech is love? Is it a verb, noun,
Verb,
adjective?
Verb.
verb,
Verb.
yes,
Thank
verb.
you. So love chocolates, here on.
Verb.
Love is a verb phrase. Love what? Love
Of the chocolate.
love chocolate. So I complete, or chocolates is a complement of the love word. Love chocolates is a verb phrase. So in this sentence, how many phrases do we have?
2 M's.
Two.
Two. What are they?
Yeah. Noun,
Noun phrase and
noun
verb
phrase
phrase.
and verb phrase.
Thank you. So the noun phrase start with what?
With all the friends of from all the friends.
From all the friends, miss.
Yeah,
No.
start with what? Noun or verb or adjective?
Noun.
No.
Noun.
Noun.
And the verb phrase start with what?
Verb.
Verb. Thank you.
Very.
طيب. Does the phrase make a complete sense?
Yeah.
No.
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 Thank you, ya Muhammad. Thank you very much.
Welcome,
Phrase
miss.
does not make complete sense. Complete sense means meaning. Love chocolates. It's okay. طب who love chocolates? I don't know who love chocolate.
And
We don't know.
Who loves chocolate? Okay. طب all the friends of Anna. Okay, so what? What about them? All the friends of Anna, are they playing? Are they looking at me? Are they taking the class? Are they eating? So, all the friends of Anna, it's not a complete sentence. Does not give me a meaningful sense. Okay, so all the friends of Anna love chocolates. Right now, it's a full sentence, a full meaningful. Meaningful means it is a complete sense, complete idea, complete idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, phrases, phrases are groups of words that do not make complete sense. Do not make
Or meaning.
sense.
Or meaning.
Yeah,
Or
meaningful sense. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see more.
Is not a predicate of a sentence. Phrase can be subject, part of a subject, or part of predicate.
So she said the phrase is not the predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence that
not
has
true.
the
Not
verb. That has the verb. Predicate is the part of the sentence that has what? The verb. Okay, so phrase can be a subject, part of the subject. Wait a minute. Part of the subject or part of the predicate. Okay, so phrase is not the predicate of a sentence. So focus. Predicate is the verb of the sentence. Okay, predicate is what?
okay.
Is what, guys?
Verb.
Okay, so phrase is not the predicate of a sentence. Phrase maybe it's a what? It's a subject, the subject of the sentence, part of the subject, or part of the predicate. So
Yeah.
here, all the friends of Anna is the subject.
Yeah.
All the friends of Anna is the subject of the sentence. And love chocolates or love,
Verb.
here love is the predicate.
Verb.
Predicate.
So predicate is a more complex word that is used by whose major is English, like me, teachers, okay? The ones that they study English language and literature in or linguistics at the university. They talks about predicates and something we call it in language syntax. Okay, is the syntax, the rules of the language. Okay, في some expressions that they are for you difficult, but it's preferable to know them. Okay, so predicate is the verb. So phrase is not just the verb of the sentence, it's a part of the sentence, it's a part of the subject or part of the predicate, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead.
There are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, and adverbial phrase.
So here we have 5 types of phrases. Noun phrase, as you see. Verb phrase, as you see too. Prepositional phrase means that, okay, so just focus and you're going to get 1 mark if you know what is the prepositional phrase. It starts with what? The prepositional phrase.
Prepositional.
Yeah, preposition. Preposition. It starts with the preposition. And what are the preposition?
Miss, they are.
Like in on off.
Don't
Like
say
in on off.
prepositional or preposition. It's
Miss, they
wrong.
are in, on, and.
Great job. Great job. Thank you. You got Zaid, you got 1 mark. And Farid, you get 1 mark. So preposition, it's not preposition.
Preposition.
Preposition. So listen again to this teacher, how she pronounced the word.
Adjective phrase and adverb phrase are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase.
Prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Don't say prepositional. Okay? Prepositional phrase. Prepositional. All of you say prepositional.
Prepositional. Prepositional. Prepositional.
Great job. So the prepositional phrase start with what? With preposition. One other preposition. To, in, on, for, from, with, and so on.
Adjective phrase and adverbial phrase.
Yeah, adjective phrase that start with adjective, and adverbial phrase start with اللي هي adverb. Okay?
Okay.
Today we will learn what are clauses.
So now focus with her because she's going to tell us what is a clause. After talking about phrases, and you can know what are phrases and what are types of these phrases, then we're going to know more. Something is more complex is the clause. Okay?
Okay.
Is a group of words that have both subject as well as predicate, but it is part of a sentence, not an individual sentence.
So focus. What did she say? She said that clause. The difference between the phrase with clause. Clause, it has what? The subject and the predicate. The subject and the predicate, they are in one clause. In one clause. And the clause is a part of the sentence. I hear the subject. Predicate is the verb. Feeling, I'm feeling, I'm feeling. I am feeling is the predicate. Predicate is the verb. Predicate, the verb. Okay? So what is the meaning of predicate?
Verb.
Verb.
The meaning of predicate?
Verb.
Verb. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, again, one more time.
Is a group of words that clause is a group of words that have both subject as well as predicate.
So the clause, it has what? The subject as well as the predicate in one part. We call it clause. Okay?
But it is part of
Okay.
a sentence, not an individual sentence.
Yeah. So, as she said, the clause is a part of the sentence, not an individual sentence. Individual means a meaningful sentence. A meaningful full sentence. So, let's see.
But yes, it can stand as an individual sentence, unlike phrases.
Aha. So, I'm feeling very thirsty. It can't stand alone. You can't say I'm feeling very thirsty. It's a clause.
Miss, it's
Okay?
complete sentence. Miss, it's complete sentence.
You can't say it alone.
No.
But it's not a sentence. It's a clause.
Yeah.
So we're going to see now more about that. To answer your question. Thank you for asking me this question. Wait.
Welcome.
So focus with her.
Part of a sentence, not an individual sentence. But yes, it can stand as an individual sentence, unlike phrases.
So clause can stand individually. I can say I'm feeling very thirsty. But phrases, they can stand alone. Okay, like the previous example, once I say all the friends of Anna.
All the chocolate.
All the friends of Anna is a phrase. Can the phrase stand alone?
No.
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 Love chocolates is a verb phrase. Who likes chocolate and who prefers it?
We don't know
Can't
because
stand
there's
alone.
no
The phrase
no
can stand
subject.
alone. And here, I'm feeling very thirsty. Does this clause give me a full meaning or complete sense? Yeah, I am feeling very thirsty. But is it clause? Wait.
An individual sentence, unlike phrases. Phrases can never stand as individual sentences.
Sense long here. Sense long. What type of phrases is it? Yellow +3 for the one who's gonna get no. What type of phrases is it?
Miss, there's a verb, a noun phrases, a verb phrases, adjective phrases.
Sense long. مين حكى adverb؟
Prepositional.
طب اسمعوا.
Wait, someone who said adverb.
مس والله
مس مي
قالها بعديه مس قلت adverb.
مس مي
طارق؟
لا يا مس أنا طارق عادها بعديه يا مس. بس قلت صار كلهم يقولوا هاي اسمه prepositional. إجا طارق قال شو adverb. أنا يا مس.
Okay. Here, sense, it has what? Two types of parts of speech. Maybe it's a prepositional or adverb. Okay. So +3 for the ones they said prepositional and
yes. Miss me, I say prepositional. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a verbal phrase. It's a verbal phrase, okay, here, because we're going about the time. Since ago, since long, it means ago, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here adverbial phrase since long. Adverbial phrase since long. Since is an adverb. Since is an adverb. So since long, it is a what? An adverbial phrase. Phrase can never stand as an individual or individual. Individual or individual sentence. يعني can't stand alone. Can't stand alone. Since long. I can't say since long alone, but I can say I'm feeling very thirsty. I'm feeling very thirsty is a clause. And since long, it's a phrase. So clause, why it's a clause? Because it what? It consists of subject as well as predicate.
Subject and predicate.
What?
Subject and predicate.
Predicate. Yes, subject and predicate. So mute yourself, please, guys. Okay. Good.
Phrases can never stand as individual sentences. So, phrase does not make complete sense.
So a phrase does not make complete sense, like since long. It's an adverbial phrase, can't stand alone.
But clause make complete sense. But still it's part of the sentence.
Aha. Clause makes complete sense, but still it's a part of the sentence. Okay? So focus here. Focus.
Miss, this is the answer for this question.
Yes. It's a question that what is the difference between clause and sentence?
Miss, no.
What?
No, I missed question and said.
Your
That's what I
question
said.
is answered?
Yeah.
Okay. So the difference here between a phrase and a clause. A phrase does not make complete sense. Does not giving me as a hearer a full meaningful sense. And clause makes complete sense. Makes complete sense, but still
It's
it's
still a part of
part
sentence.
of the sentence. Okay? It's still
Yeah.
a part of the sentence. So
Part of
I am
sentence.
feeling very thirsty since long. All of it, it's a what? It's a full sentence. It's a full sentence. And the first part is I'm feeling very thirsty is the clause. The second part is since long is the phrase of the sentence. A phrase, as I said, that can't stand individually, and the first part can stand individually, but it's part of the sentence. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we have a sample sentence. I am feeling very thirsty since long. Here, subject is I, and rest of the sentence is predicate that is telling something about I.
Aha. So I is the subject in all the sentence. She said that it's a predicate that telling us about what? About the predicate, the subject of the sentence. Okay? Feeling very thirsty. I'm feeling very thirsty since long. So she said that it's a predicate. Okay, but guys, I don't want you just to be confused. What is the predicate and what's the clause and what the phrase? Just focus on what is a phrase and what is clause. I don't want you just to know what is the subject and where is specifically the predicate in the sentence. Okay?
Okay.
There are many phrases in this sentence. Since long is a phrase. Very thirsty is a phrase. Am is a phrase. Am feeling very thirsty is a phrase. All these phrases does not make complete sense, and they do not form the predicate. Now, which one is clause here? A part of sentence that makes complete sense and has both subject and predicate is a clause.
Aha. So, the part of the sentence that has what? The subject and the predicate is a clause. And all the parts or all the phrases all together, maybe they are not or they are do not have the predicate. So once I see or get know where is the subject and where is the predicate, I get know the clause. Okay?
Okay.
So a part of a sentence that makes complete sense and has both subject and predicate is a clause.
Like, I am feeling very thirsty. This part of the sentence has both subject as well as predicate. I is a subject and am feeling very thirsty is the predicate. It makes complete sense. So, this part of the sentence is a clause. It's having both subject and predicate, but still, it's a part of this sentence, so it's a clause. So let's revise the difference between the phrase and clause. Phrase is a part of sentence that does not form the complete sense on its own. It cannot stand as an individual sentence.
So, who wants again to read the characteristics of the phrase? Come on.
First is the part of sentence.
Wait, say your name.
Siraj.
Okay, Siraj, could you please start?
Oh.
It cannot stand as an individual sentence.
Yeah. And what? And does not give us a complete sense.
Yes.
You do know, or you will not understand. You're gonna say or ask me. If I say, for example, Siraj's mother. Siraj's mother's. Farid is going to ask me, okay, teacher, so what about Siraj's mother? What happened with her? Does she come to our class? Does she attending the class with us right now?
Yeah.
Okay, or if I say
We just know it's a phrase.
and I stopped. So you're gonna ask me, so what are they doing, miss? Why did you say their names? صح? You're gonna say that. You're gonna ask me.
Yeah.
But if you say all the sentence like Muhammad loves chocolate, so it will be complete.
Yes. So this is the phrase. This is the noun phrase, okay? طب if I say playing tense right now. Playing tense
Verb
right
phrase.
now.
Verb phrase.
Okay,
Verb phrase.
طيب. What is the question you're going to ask me? Playing tense right now. Does it?
Who playing tennis?
Great job, ya Farid. Thank you. Clapping. Who is playing tense? Who? Who? We want to know who is the doer of the action, the subject of this sentence. Okay, so who or who's playing tense right now? Okay, so the phrase does not give us a complete sense and can't stand alone. I can't say playing tense right now. Okay, so who, miss who? Who?
We don't know.
Yes, we didn't know. So the phrase
Only
does
say
not
let's
give
go
us
playing
a
tennis.
complete sense. Okay, let's go ahead.
It can be part of the subject It can be a subject or it can be a part of the predicate.
So as you said, or as you know, that it's a part of the subject, predicate, or the subject itself.
And clause is a part of the sentence that makes complete sense. That is, it is having both subject as well as predicate, but it is a part of the sentence.
So clause is a part of sentence and makes complete sense. Okay? It's not like phrase. Phrase does not form complete sense, but clause makes complete sense. And clause, it have what? It has اللي هي both subject as well as predicate, but is a part of a sentence.
But yes, clause can stand as an individual sentence. Now let's see more example of clauses.
So focus here. She's going to show us more example about clauses.
She is having fun in the party.
She is having fun in the party. Type. Who's gonna say before she explain this example, where is the clause and where is the phrase in this sentence? Come on. Who can guess? Who can guess exactly where?
She is having fun.
Fun in the party.
Praise. But she.
Type. Again. She is having fun. Is what? Is a phrase or a clause?
Phrase.
Phrase, miss. But it's a noun phrase.
She is having. She is the subject. Is having the predicate. So the subject with the predicate.
Miss, this is my colors, not colors. Close.
Yeah.
Clause.
She is the subject, is having predicate. So she is having fun here is the what?
The clause.
Close.
Yes. Close. She is having fun. Close. In the party. In the party is what? In the party. Yalla. Plus
Prepositional.
No. Yeah. Thank you, Yazid. Prepositional. Not prepositional. 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 Okay. So I have to end this class, guys. I have more less than 1 minute. Okay. So we're going to talk about the rest of the relative clauses. What are the relative clauses and so on. Okay. So that's it for today.
Thank you.
Salam. Tip to last 5 years.